People do think I'm a bit crazy, but that doesn't bother me. I mean, I'm chasing my dream. Not a lot of people can say that. We were on holiday and I think I was about 3. I was straight into the deep end, no swimming lessons, couldn't swim, but I just still wanted to, you know, get in there and just enjoy it. And my mum was like, right, I guess we're gonna have to start her at swimming lessons, because I was just wild. I just always jump into the pool. My daily routine is quite brutal. I wake up at 5. I'll go swim for 2 hours. 2:15 I'll have to be in the gym starting my weight work. And then straight after that at 4, I'll have to swim for another 2 hours. I've had to sacrifice a lot for swimming, other activities like dancing, karate, going out with friends, but you know, it's been worth it. Swimming is everything to me. It was an incredible experience competing at British Champs not long ago. It's just so overwhelming. Like, I went in there knowing what I could do but not expecting to win at all. When I was doing that last length, everything was aching, everything was sore, and I was just like, wow, I can't see anybody ahead of me, I can't see anybody by the side of me. I was like, wow, all I can see is that wall and just get there as fast as I can. I loved it. I loved every minute of it, and I couldn't keep the smile off my face. I'm so grateful for my mother. She's an incredible woman, and you know, I owe everything to her. I'm gonna get emotional. Yeah, she's amazing. She's just such an inspiration. She always wakes me up and she's like, come on, Chloe, get up, get in there, chase your dream. I've been a fan of watching the Olympics, and now I'm actually going to be the one on the TV. I think mentally I'll be all over the place. I'm like it before every race. I get a nervous wreck. I can't keep still. I'm shivering and I'm hot, cold, you know, I'm all over the place. But I do try to stay calm and just relax and kind of just enjoy the moment. You know, I feel like sometimes that's hard to do when you're so exhilarated and you just want to get in there and do your best. Sometimes it's just, the best thing you can do is just step back and just look at it for what it is, and it's just like, enjoy it. Just enjoy the moment. It might not happen again, you know? Just being there, just enjoying the environment and competing. And if anybody thinks of swimming, it is Michael Phelps, and he's going to be there. And you know, I've never actually swam at a competition that Michael Phelps is at, and that's just hit me now, but that'll be amazing to see that. After Rio, I think I'll carry on swimming, definitely carry on swimming. It's my dream, I'm going to keep chasing it. I want to be the best, you know. It sounds really silly saying that, but it is. That's what I want. I just want to do my best, and I want to make everybody proud.